Okay, so yesterday I taught you guys how to find local min and local max. Okay, you just literally plug it in Desmos, and whatever is the top of your hill, whatever is whatever is here, let me pull that up then. Okay, so yesterday I taught you guys local min, local max, and I said that whatever is the top of your hill is going to be your max, and whatever is the bottom of your hill is going to be your local min. So these were your maxes, and these were your mins. That was your min right there. Okay. Now, here is what I want to show you guys next. Okay. I'm going to call this the red strand, green strand, blue strand, and gray strand. Okay. Now, the red strand, if you look at this cartoon character here, okay, I typed in my first and last name on Google, and this is the face that popped up. Okay. So if we talk about skiing from left to right, this guy's skiing uphill, downhill, uphill, and downhill. Let me do that one more time. Okay. Uphill, downhill, uphill, and downhill. Okay. Uphill means increasing, downhill means decreasing, uphill means increasing, downhill means decreasing. So pink is increasing, green is decreasing, blue is increasing, and gray is decreasing. Increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Okay? So how do we describe the pink strand? Okay? This is how I want you to think about it. Okay? If you were to take your fingers, first of all, pretend this red graph is a string that is curvy. If you were to take your fingers, okay, if you were to take your fingers and pinch that string and spread it out to make it straight, okay, let's say you were to get something like this. Okay, if you were to pinch it and make it straight, okay, you would get something like this. Boom, boom. All right, let me make this red. Okay, and then you would have your pink portion. You would have your green portion. You would have your blue portion. And you would have your gray portion again. So let me describe this visual for you one more time. You take your fingers, you pinch this curvy string at the dots, and you spread it out. Okay? So now you have the pink, green, blue, and gray portion all spread out. Now, if you were to look here, this should be a pretty easy lesson, and I'm done with it in around, I'm done with this lesson in around 2 minutes. Okay? Now, and let me put these little black dots, the ones that are here, here, here. Let me put it right here, here, here. Okay? And I'm going to actually, so now let me do this. If you look at the pink portion, okay, the pink portion is forever going left. Okay? The pink portion is forever going left. Okay? Let me actually do this to make it easy, even easier. Okay, I'm going to take this point and put it right here. Okay, I'm going to take this point and put it right here. Okay, so let me shrink that, and I'm going to put it right there. And let me take this point right here, and put it, shrink it, and put it right here. Boom. So it's that black dot. Okay. And let me take this point right here and put it right over here. Okay, for that black dot. Okay, so again, I just took my fingers, pinched these black dots, and spread out the curvy string. That's all I did. Okay, now, here we go. Now, if you look at the pink portion, it forever goes left. Okay, the pink portion forever goes left. Okay, look at that. It forever goes left. Look at that arrowhead. So for the pink portion, I'm going to write a less than sign because it forever goes left. The arrowhead points left. All right, and I'm going to put an X here. All right, and the pink portion touches. Today we only care about the X values. Okay, we only care about the X values. All right, so the pink portion touches which X value? Okay, the pink portion touches negative 0.627. Okay, and remember the pink portion is increasing. Okay, and that's the pink portion. So let me recap on that one more time. Okay, the pink highlight forever goes left. Look at this arrowhead here. Okay, forever goes left. So that's why I have this arrowhead right here going left. Okay, and X, you always put an X here, and it touches which X value? It touches negative 0.627. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at the gray. Let's bounce over to the gray, and let's use the same logic. The gray, if you look at the gray, is forever going right. It's forever going right. Okay, so I'm going to draw a right arrowhead like that. Put an X here. And which X value does it touch? It touches 1.287. Okay, and remember this guy right here is going downhill for gray, which means decreasing. Okay, decreasing. And there you go. That is gray right there. So we're done with pink and gray. All right. Now we got to do green and blue. Green and blue, okay, green and blue each, so let's look at just green. Green touches two X values. It touches these two, okay? Green touches two X values. It touches negative 0.627, and it also touches 0.465. Okay, because again, green touches these two points here, which has these two X values. Okay, that's how I got that. Whereas pink, okay, the pink strand only touched one point. Okay, I should take these big circles out because those are not points. That was just a visual to help you see that you pinch it over there. Okay, you pinch it with your hands. That's actually not technically a point. So the pink strand only touched one point, which had an X value of negative 0.627. Therefore, I only wrote it once. Okay, I only wrote one X value is what I meant to say. All right, and again, the green touched 2 points. Therefore, it's going to have two X values, okay, that you write down. Okay, and when you have two X values, you always put the X in between. All right, and we're pretty much done here. Okay, and remember green, because it was going downhill, okay, it's decreasing. Decreasing. all right? And that's green right there. And last but not least, let's look at blue here. Okay, let's look at blue. Blue touches 2. Okay, blue touches 2 endpoints. Okay, it touches 2 points, and therefore you're going to write 2 x values also, just like green. 1.287. And remember, I got that from these 2 points with these 2 x values. Boom. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay, from these 2 points here. All right. So, and remember, that's increasing. Blue is increasing. So I'm going to write increasing here. And blue, boom. There you go. Okay. All right, so as a summary, we're pretty much done. As a summary, you pinch, okay? As a summary, remember, uphill is increasing, downhill is decreasing, uphill increasing, downhill is decreasing, okay? So if it is, you take your hands, okay, and pinch this curvy string and straighten it out. And for the pink strand, it's forever going left. So that's why I have forever going left right over here, okay? And then it touches only 1 point, which means 1 x value, negative 0.627 right there, okay? I got it from there, all right? And uphill means increasing. If we bounce over to gray, all right, this gray forever goes right. So that means this is going to forever go, that means the arrow points right here, okay? And because it touches only 1 x value right here, that's what you put right there. It only touches 1 point is what I meant to say. The gray only touches 1 point, so you focus on 1 x value, which is right here. All right? Now, the green touches 2 x values, or 2 points, and therefore you write down 2 x values right there. Okay? And it's decreasing. The blue touches 2 points, okay? So therefore you write down 2 x values right there. Okay? All right? Okay, so folks, what I want you to do is take yesterday's stuff. Okay, let me stop the video here.